Welcome to Tech Solution. Netgear Nighthawk Router Login. Netgear Router Login using the web browser. Open your PC or laptop. Open a web browser of your choice. Type 192.168.1.1 or routerlogin.net in the address bar. The router login window displays. Enter the router admin username and password. The username is admin. The password is the one that you specified during setup. The username and password are case sensitive. You will be logged into your Netgear router. Netgear Router Login using the Nighthawk app. Download the Nighthawk app at nighthawkapp.com. Make sure that your mobile device is connected to your Netgear router's Wi-Fi network. Launch the Nighthawk app and log in with your Netgear account. Thank you for watching.